Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendalore. If you're new or you're just passing by for the first time, welcome. It's a channel that talks about skincare. Please feel free to check my previous videos so you know what this channel is all about. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much. To my old and returning subscribers, hey guys, how have you been? Thank you for always coming back. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. From the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to you all. So guys, have you subscribed yet? If you're just passing by, please subscribe. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this it's organic, actually organic face cream. It's a lightening face cream. It's going to help with spots, sunburn, and it contains anti-aging and has really great properties. Sorry guys for the way I am. I'm actually having cold and I took Puritan. It's making me super drowsy, so forgive me for this video. So this contains really great ingredients in here that's going to help with anti-aging. It's going to help with acne, pimples. It's going to help with spots, and it's going to brighten your skin and remove burns, burn and suntan. So guys, if you're interested in this video, please let's get right into it. In here I have shea butter, I have my sterling alcohol, I have my emulsifying wax, and I have my stearic acid in here. And right here guys, this is my kojic dip. I just dissolved it. For you to dissolve this, I used can you guys see it well? I used propylene glycol to dissolve it. There's the propylene glycol, so that's what I used in dissolving it. So now I'm going to be adding my water in here. There's a kojic dip that brought these shimmers to my hands, so I'm going to be adding my water. Guys, I will leave the recipe, or I may call it out, or I may leave it in the description box. If I call it out, I won't leave it on the description box, but if I don't call it out, then I will leave it in the description box. So guys, this is what I have. My stearic acid here, not stearic acid guys, sorry. My water is actually 300 ml. I did not calculate the water, I just put 300 ml because it has this measurement stuff in there. So I'm going to put them in a double boiler together to create our base, okay? And this is a distilled water guys, it's a distilled water I bought. So let's get this done. I put them in a pot, I put water, this is water guys, and on fire, and then I have them so they can be at the same temperature when I bring it out, okay? So it's been melted, I've melted them both, can you see? So into my water I'm going to be adding vitamin E oil, and then I also in the water when it was on fire I didn't show that part, I added glycerin, and now I'm going to be adding glycolic acid. So now I'm going to turn in my oil into my water phase. At this point where you turn it, you have to start whisking. My whisk is bad, so I'm going to be doing it by hand. You can do this by hand guys. So these things actually do have special measurements, you know, so they have special measurement temperature, like when it gets to this temperature you have to do this. So you can as well Google it. If you don't have proper training, you can like know what to do. So it's actually not hot, it's not that hot guys. So the ingredients, please get your pen and paper. Guys, sorry I'm talking into my ear, I don't know, my right ear is blocked. There is nothing inside, it's clean, but it's just blocked like that. Although yeah, I think I have running nose, maybe that's why. So this is actually This recipe I want to give you is for 1,000 grams of your lightening face cream. So we have 10% of our emulsifying wax. I did a video on how to calculate. I don't know if you guys will still remember. If I see it, I will link it. But 10% of emulsifying wax is 100 grams. So 6% of stearic acid, which is 60 grams. 6% stearic alcohol, which is 60 grams. 30% water, which is 300 grams. And shea butter 2%, which is 20 grams. Glycerin 5%, which is 50 grams. 2% niacinamide, which is 20 grams. 3% kojic dip, which is 30 grams. 2% licorice extract, which is 20 grams. So let me stop there first and I'll come back. So guys, for faster method, I just put water in here. I took Puritin, so my eyes are dazzling. So in here I have my kojic dip, and then I mixed my arbutin powder and added also, I used propylene glycol for everything, guys. And here I have my licorice extract, it's the powder, and then I dissolved it as well. So we have 4% Germa Plus preservative. We have 10% rosehip oil. We have vitamin E oil 1%, and then we have tea tree oil 2%, and I'll come back, guys. So you see it's getting thick. Sorry guys that this video is somehow the only one holding this phone, and then feeling really sleepy and really dizzy. So this is pure tea tree oil, so I'm just going to add, and then it's very harsh. And that's all. Is this brand? I've had it since, so that's just the last one. So you keep on stirring and stirring and stirring. So now I'm going to be putting my oil, my powders. I need 2 hands for that, so I'm going to do it off camera, and because I can't just pour it, it's thick. It's good coming. Okay. The cream is not that hot. It's not that hot anymore, but it's still hot a bit. So I'm just going to turn this, and I'll come back to show you guys. Okay. You can see that it's actually getting thick, and it's cooled down to the temperature whereby I can add my Germa Plus now. Guys, I really do apologize. So, but if you've been following my cream stuff, you would understand. It's just for those newcomers now that really don't still know anything. So that's the Germa Plus, and then you keep on stirring, guys. Like I said, this lotion is going, or cream is going to be thick. Like this is how I want it. So you see that it's even still smooth even without the mixer, but you need the blender or a mixer to make sure everything incorporates very well, or else you're going to keep on turning and turning and turning just to make sure that everything gets into it very well. And one thing again, I said, always make sure you're working in a very clean environment. Everything you're using, make sure you spray it with rubbing alcohol and clean, dry, so that there'll be no bacteria or your hand, so that your product will not grow mold. So everything I'm using here is actually clean. So yeah, like I said, 2% tea tree oil, 4% alpha arbutin powder, 2% propylene glycol, 1% allantoin powder, and 1% glycolic acid. So I actually gave one of my subscribers that I taught how to do cream and stuff. I gave her this recipe. Like, I just composed it in my head and I had to write it down and sent it to her. So that's the recipe, guys. If you watch this video to the end, I'm sure, definitely sure you understood it, what I was trying to say or get at, or you got all the ingredients. What's wrong with me? Guys, this drug is getting to my head. Like, I need to sleep and I'm about to sneeze. So this can lighten your skin. Your face is for face, and you said everything we use, they're natural and then it's safe for your face. Don't forget to always test your pH level. I've done this before and I tested the pH and it was really nice, so there's no need testing pH. And so guys, this is our face cream. I put it in this sterilized small container. This is a cream container, but I actually just put it. Can you see how beautiful it is? So you can use this day and night, but you know me, I will always tell you use at night. But it's very good and it's going to help brighten, remove spots, and it's also anti-aging because of the ingredients that we used in there. Okay, once again, I do apologize for the way I am. I'm so drowsy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Feel free also to ask me questions. Like you see, I always try to reply everyone's comments, so I will reply your comments. Thank you guys so much. Bye guys.